Is your Pinterest feed looking more like a blank canvas than a visual masterpiece? Let's fix those missing images. First things first, we need to ensure your internet connection is solid. Open a few other websites or apps that require internet if those are loading slowly or not at all. The problem might be with your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Next up, let's clear out the digital clutter. For mobile users, go into your phone settings, find apps or applications, locate Pinterest, and then tap on storage. You'll see an option to clear cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing images to glitch. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or saved pins. Browser users, you can do something similar. Go to your browser settings and look for clear browsing data. Make sure to select cached images and files and then clear it. If you're using a specific browser for Pinterest, clearing its cache can be a game changer. Keeping your apps updated is crucial for smooth performance. Head over to your app store and search for Pinterest. If there's an update available, tap update. This often resolves bugs and image loading issues that developers have already fixed. Finally, let's check your browser settings. Some browser extensions or security settings, like strict pop-up blockers or disabled JavaScript, can sometimes interfere with how images load on websites. Try temporarily disabling any aggressive ad blockers or checking if JavaScript is enabled in your browser settings. You can usually find these options within your browser's main settings menu. And there you have it. With a few simple checks, your Pinterest feed should be back to its beautiful visual glory. Happy pinning!